Hey guys, welcome back to another amazing video. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can see who visited your profile on Facebook. So make sure to watch this video till the end and follow all the steps properly, and let's begin. First of all, open up your Facebook application and tap on the hamburger menu. Sometimes it's on the upper right side or maybe bottom left side, depending upon the update. Anyway, so just tap on it and go over to your profile. Here you can see that there's a three dots menu present right next to your Add Story button. Just select it. Now simply enable the option Professional Mode. If you can't see it, then your account must be private, so you have to make it public first. And after that, just tap on it and enable it. It will take a few seconds to load, and after it's done, go back to your profile. Now you can see that there are three new tabs right beneath the story button. Just tap on See Dashboard. Now you can see various specs regarding to your account. Now scroll down until you see Professional Mode Guide and just tap on it. In here, just tap on Insights and go inside Performance tab, and boom, now you can see all of your insights of your account. The profile visits will also available here once someone visits your profile, and that's how you can see who visited your profile on Facebook. So that's all for today's video guys. Hope you liked the video. I'll be meeting you in the next one. See you soon. Bye.